Hi everyone, it's Karen here from Rustic Home, and I'm back with part 2 of my Ikea crate transformations. If you've missed part 1, here's a quick recap. I'm taking raw wood Ikea crates, painting them with milk paint by Fusion, and then jazzing them up with transfers, stamps, inlays, basically whatever crafty goodness I feel like on the day. Crate 1 is painted in Mod Mustard, a bold deep yellow. I mixed the powder with water, just a little whisk, and painted it on. And once it dried, I'd seal it with a top coat to prep for the transfer. The top coat is dry and it's time to add the new stunning IOD Saint Germain transfer. I cut out the pieces I want, peel the backing, rub them down with a transfer tool and give them a quick burnish with a backing sheet to ensure it's adhered properly. Isn't it just stunning on the yellow background? I think this is definitely my new favorite transfer. Crate number 2 is painted in Hawaiian Hibiscus. Same mixture, paint and seal process. This time I'm stamping it with the IOD's Folk Story stamp from their new summer collection. Since it's the first time I'm using the stamp, I'm prepping it by light sanding it in both directions. Once and done, and I'm using IOD's black ink, and once I've stamped it and it's dry, I will seal it again with Fusion's Tough Coat. I love how the fine detail of the stamp just pops on the bright background. The stamp can then be cleaned with a baby wipe. And finally, crate 3 is painted in Almond Latte, a soft neutral. Same steps again, mix, stir, paint, seal. Then it's transfer time. I'm using the new IOD transfer called Home Sweet Home. I cut out my favorite designs, apply them just like before, and seal it with Fusion's Tough Coat. And that's it, 3 more crate makeovers done and dusted, all painted with Fusion Milk Paint and decorated with goodies from IOD's beautiful new summer release. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this inspired you to get painting. Part 3 of the crate makeovers coming soon. See you next time.